Alright, after you set up your Facebook profile funnel in the previous video using Canva, then you made sure that you put your links everywhere in your link from the client generating machine funnel in your Facebook cover and in your featured photo. You can also put it in your profile picture. So after you've done that, we can start generating leads and potential clients for your business. So download below the video in the resources proven high converting outreach scripts. To do it right now, and it will help you. It will just speed up the process for you, so you don't have to figure it out on your own. It took me a long time to figure out what people respond to and how to do it effectively. So download it and we can get started. So on Facebook, you want to join all relevant Facebook groups in your niche and become a valued member of those groups. So if you don't have a niche yet, you have to go back to the video how to pick your winning niche, because otherwise it's not possible to do this. You have to have a niche. That's the most important thing that will determine your success. So here, let's say you want to help real estate agents with digital marketing. So you put keyword here, real estate, and then you select groups, and then join all relevant Facebook groups. I would join all of these, right? If this is my niche. And then you just become valuable member of those groups. Answer people's questions, and you should answer at least 20 questions a day, and make sure that you use people's first names everywhere, always, all the time. The sweetest thing for everyone is their own name. Remember that. If you haven't read the book How to Win Friends and Influence People, you should. Now, this is one of the most powerful strategies. It's even more effective than reaching out to people and adding them as your friends, because and I will show you the strategy, right? So let's take a look. Let's take an example. This group. So after you are accepted in the group, you want to, when Bob, for example, ask a question. Let's find some question here. So who here uses only organic traffic to grow their business? And so this is the script that works perfectly, right? So you want to start hey and then name. So hey, Nino, and then you answer or offer the solution of the problem that people is asking for. So, and I have a powerful method how to grow a business via Facebook. And then you put here. This is the most important part, right? You get to the habit of doing this. After you answer the question how you can help, you put here, if you need a further guidance, feel free to DM me, direct message me, and I'm happy to help. And you can also tag that person. That it will make sure that he will see it. And this is powerful because people will reach out to you. And if you don't have to chase them, when people actually reach out to you, it's easier to get them on the phone, and because they become the needy ones, right? So make sure that you answer at least 20 questions a day in Facebook groups relevant to your niche, and by using this script. And then you also you also want to start adding people as your friends during those groups, right? And this is, I have found that it's more effective doing this via phone and than in on the desktop, because phone will actually let you add more people a day, like 40 people a day, if you actually start adding people who are mutual friends with you. So that's another trick. Of course, in the beginning, you may not have any mutual friends, but after you start adding few, you will definitely get mutual friends, and then you should preferably add those so Facebook will not ban you, right? And then you just start reaching out to people after your uh, friendship is accepted. If you don't send the friend request first, then people may never see that your message, right? It will go to spam. You can also preferably add people who are active in the group, so you can see the recent post and click on people who liked it and add those people, right? Because these are active. So that's another useful trick. And then you just do it every day. Get to the habit of doing this. And then this is the script how you reach out to people via messenger, right? And you can put this to your phone, to your clipboard, where you just copy and paste it, but you have to put there only like this sentence, right? You want to start always with the name. You cannot copy and paste it. You always have to start with name. It increases conversions like crazy, like by at least 50%. If you just spam people with message without their name, they will know that that's like you copy and paste it to everyone, so that they will not respond. And so you have to engage people in conversation. So after they tell you how they are doing, you so Ashley responds, you answer, "It's fantastic, thanks." So even though you don't feel good, or people don't care, you have to say that you feel fantastic because, or you feel great, or because people, there is a chance they had day that was really hard for them or busy, so they don't want to listen any more problems that you may have, right? So you just have to you have to present yourself as really motivated and full of energy, and so people want to talk to you. So you want to ask this question: what are you currently working on? Or you can optimize the script accordingly to what is your niche. Basically, what you're trying to do. The purpose of this question is then get them to ask you, what do you do, right? So the actually says, I'm currently trying to set a marketing campaign for my dental clinic. And what do you do, right? Because this is powerful, because it's a psychological bias of reciprocity. When you care about people, what they do, they will care back. So this is how it works. And this is the time where you can actually mention your offer, your message that you were supposed to craft in the previous lesson on how to create an irresistible offer. So make sure you do that before you start reaching out to people. And here you mentioned that message, right? I help dentists to skyrocket their business by using my powerful digital marketing method. And this should sound powerful, and it will, if you do this correctly, it will attract that person, and it will seem like they will want to know more about your services and what you do. So then, right? Wow, that's awesome. I'd like to hear more about that, because actually need help with that. And then you ask if it is okay if you schedule a free call, right? So you always try to get people on the phone. That's the purpose of the conversation, but you have to make sure that you start out as just friends talking. You can't present yourself as someone who is salesy, pushy, because otherwise people will just never respond to you. And Sometimes conversation is longer, and you have to dig deeper. You have to ask questions like, what are you struggling with? What is holding you back? You guys make sure that you read through this script. It took me a long time to put it together, and it took lots of trial and error. And I reached out to tens of thousands of people. So if you use this script, it will work. It's been proven to work. So you really want to, add. You want to do this daily with Facebook. All right. If people in your niche can be found in Facebook groups, you definitely want to do this. You want to answer 20 questions a day. Add 30 to 40 people a day as your friends at least, and do it regularly. Get to the habit of doing this. Now, if your audience, if your niche cannot be found on Facebook, and by the way, the principles here in this script, how you should start conversation, for example, right? It works on other platforms as well, because human nature is like the same, right? So it doesn't matter what platform you use it on. So it works on Instagram, LinkedIn as well. But you want to. I would recommend you to start out with Facebook. I have found it to be one of the most powerful ways how to generate leads and get clients. All right, but you feel free to use it on Instagram and LinkedIn as well, or in other platforms. But as I said, if your niche can be found on Facebook, start with Facebook. It's really powerful. If you have targeting some specific niche that they are not on Facebook, you can try email, right? So you have your autoresponder installed, and you can start building a list. And so you make sure that you Google. If you want to offer a service for businesses, you can Google them and try to find those emails. And you want to use attractive subject lines, so that will increase. You want to use emojis that will increase conversion of people. It will increase the chance that people will open your email. And also, it's all numbers game. You can't expect that you will send one email a day to get the results, because people will they get hundreds of emails every week. So you have to increase the numbers. At least you have to send at least 10 emails a day, and you have to stand out. So when you add emoji to your subject line, that will grab attention, right? And then you want to use this script. It's proven to work, right? You want to put name. You want to start with the name, attractive subject line, and then here you put your services, offers. You can offer some value up front, and you can put here your calendar link or your funnel link to register for free training, right? And then you have another script here and here, the third one. So you just go through this script and test them out yourself on what you need, what the people in your niche respond to, right? So this is how you do it, guys. Make sure that you do this daily, and when you do it daily, at least 21 days, you will build the habit of doing it. And if you use this script, and if you follow the steps and method that I just shared with you, you will get clients very soon. It's not about even like if you get clients or not. It's just a matter of time and focus. All right. So you just don't give up. Start reaching out to people. Or try to overcome all procrastination and all of that that is holding you back, and just do it. Do the work. Download this script and get to work. All right. So thank you for jumping in on this lesson, and I will see you on the next one.